Let me tell you, I never ever celebrated Halloween as a kid. I don't need the ahs and the My mom just didn't believe in it, so we didn't do it. Which I was fine with. You can't miss something that you don't know. All of a sudden, I am so into Halloween and I have so many looks planned. For the month of October, every Sunday, I'm going to post a Halloween tutorial look. But you guys should also make sure you're following me on Instagram. My name is @Niara Alexis, because every Friday I will be posting, or I'm not even sure if it's every Friday, but every week I will be posting like little mini tutorials for like quick Halloween costumes. Like if you're in a pinch and you need a costume really quick, I got you. So make sure you follow me on there. Make sure you ring the bell so that you can go ahead and get notifications anytime I upload, okay? So y'all, you saw the cover. You saw the cover art. Look, Daihann Carrol is like an icon. And who does not remember Miss Dominique Deveraux with the burnt champagne, like the reeds? I didn't watch all of Dynasty as a kid, but I knew Miss Dominique, okay? And she was reading people. And that's what I aspire to be. Reading them with so much tact and class and just snatch them right up. Just so you guys can see, this is like my reference image that I am using right now. So that is my reference because I just love this whole look. The hair, the nails, the like everything, all of it. So if you're interested, just keep watching because I'm gonna transform from this to Miss Dominique, okay? So let's get into it. feel like. So you have that one, which I feel like Miss Carrol might not be opposed to, but then, or Dominique. And then I also have, come on now, here, cooperate, over here, yes. Then I have this earring. Okay, I just held this one up. This is the one I'm going with because, yeah, it was Dynasty. Oh, like, if any time was the time to like do it all the way up, it was then. I feel like in the picture she had a glossy lip, so I'm gonna just put a little bit of this. This is a full Milani lip. Put a little bit of this gloss on top. You know what? I hear my grandma in the background saying like, Niara, if you gonna do it right. Put my fur coat on. Y'all, I'm giving a little bit of old Hollywood, but I know I'm also giving like Miss Carrol. Like, will she have this bow tie? I feel like she might. You have burnt the champagne. Here we are. This is my like rendition of Miss Carrol as Dominique Deveraux. You could easily say this is also like a 50s, 60s lady. Who knows? But I know who I'm trying to be. I feel like we got decently close to our reference picture. Not exactly. I feel like it's the hair really that's like not giving it. But that's okay. Things happen. But yeah, I will link all the products that I used below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.